Good evening and welcome to Trending Tonight, the only show on primetime television where we care to explain the news behind the trend. There are two stories that we are tracking at this moment. Story number one, it's a curious case of a police officer who has seen rise and fall, rise and fall, rise and fall. And again, this is the phase of his fall. The curious case of Mr. Sachin Waze. Can this cop controversy, and now we are seeing that there is a bit of tumult in the alliance, the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi, where there are people speaking for and against, of course in a closed forum. Can this cause or disturb the alliance? That's going to be discussion number one. Story number two, Lathi charge, vandalism, all of this happening in West Bengal in a state where the Bharatiya Janata Party wants to create a big bang sensation. But is this the way it will be done? They want to create a wave with all top leaders coming in, capture the mood, but then on the ground there's lathi charge, vandalism, because there are two factions in the BJP. One faction that feels that old-timers or the cadre must be promoted, and there is another one which feels that no, the new TMC imports are just as good, so you can mix and match. But the old cadre is not happy. Can unrest in the BJP at this critical juncture create a problem and hamper their chance for growth in West Bengal for the Asol Parivartan that they want? These are the two stories that we are going to track on the show. But first, let's quickly take a look at this curious case of Sachin Waze. What is the latest that is happening right now and the impact on the alliance?
And could be Sachin Waze, the Mumbai police official suspended for his alleged role in the Mukesh Ambani bomb scare case. Sources in India's top terror investigation agency, the NIA, said this is a series of revelations. Parallel to the dramatic course of investigations is the political drama. Waze's arrest has given the opposition BJP an upper hand in attacking the government, exposing both the Mumbai police's handling of the case and Waze's past links with the Shiv Sena. But after Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray's second meeting on the crisis in less than 24 hours, the government rejected reports that the Mumbai Police Commissioner could be shifted.
कोई भी सब्जेक्ट हो, उसमें अगर कोई गलत कर रहा है, इसके बारे में कुछ प्रूफ मिला, तो तुरंत उसके बारे में डिसीजन गवर्नमेंट लेगी. लेकिन जब तक प्रूफ हाथ में नहीं आता, तब तक किसी के ऊपर गवर्नमेंट एक्शन लेने का सवाल नहीं उठता.
But the NIA probe into the Antilla bomb scare seems to have raised more questions for suspended Mumbai police officer Sachin Waze and caused embarrassment for the government. This letter by the Crime Intelligence Unit to Sachin Waze's own housing society, where he lives, to hand over the CCTV footage is suspicious, says the NIA. The NIA suspects Waze could be trying to cover up something, as they suspect he was in possession of the vehicle in which the explosives were planted. The owner of the vehicle in which the explosives were found, Mansukh Hiren, died under suspicious circumstances. Devendra Fadnavis in the assembly had alleged Waze was in touch with him. The NIA is looking at another white car captured on CCTV cameras which they suspect belongs to the police. NIA sources claim or allege Sachin Waze seized the digital video recorder of his housing society's CCTV footage system. CCTV footage of Sachin Waze's residential complex deleted from DVR. NIA sources add that the PPE-clad man seen in CCTV footage could be Sachin Waze himself.
बिल्कुल नहीं, वहाँ की जो फ्रंट है इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मिलकर चलते हैं. उद्धव ठाकरे जी के नेतृत्व पर वहाँ के सभी वहाँ विकास आघाड़ी के साथी हैं, उनके साथ काम करते हैं.
दुसरं मला असं वाटतं की वाझे प्रकरण अजून संपलेलं नाही. जोपर्यंत मनसुख हिरेन यांचा खून कसा झाला, तो कोणी केला, या संदर्भातला खुलासा होत नाही, तोपर्यंत हे प्रकरण आम्ही लावून.
Waze has moved the High Court challenging the legality of his arrest, alleging that the arrest indicates ulterior motives and huge political influence. The BJP accuses the Shiv Sena of protecting Waze. In Mumbai with Sunil Singh and Saurabh Gupta, Usama Shah for NDTV.
Quick short duration discussion. PKT Nambia, political analyst, supports the Bharatiya Janata Party. We've got Mr. PK Jain, former Mumbai Police Commissioner, and Sanjay Gupta, spokesperson of the Shiv Sena. Thank you very much. Mr. Jain, we'll begin with you. Cops and their alleged proximity with the powers that be, and subsequently what is the result thereof. Do you think that this is a reflection of exactly that? A cop who is now being accused of being part of some sort of a political dirty works department. We still do not know the details, though.
Police is a state subject. The state government does have a hold on the police working. Many times we do have to bear political pressure. Sometimes people bow down to it. Sometimes people stand up to it, though at a very huge cost to their careers. So that's a fact of life. In this case, certain things which very clearly stand out are that an officer with a questionable past and who had a case of extortion registered against him sometime in 2017-18, along with the Shiv Sena activist, he is brought back to the Mumbai police and again posted to a charge which is very, very significant and which is very crucial. And there a number of high-profile cases are handed over to him. This, to my mind, cannot happen without some kind of a political patronage and the political will. Given to any senior officer, an officer of this kind of a background would, if at all, if he is inducted into the police force or reinstated from his suspension, he would have been posted to
not at such a critical position.
Not a critical position.
And that's where the doubt comes from. Okay, Sanjay Gupta, how will you respond? कैसे जवाब देंगे आप जैन साहब जो बोल रहे हैं कि जब इतने गंभीर आरोप लगे हैं उसके बाद उम्मीद ये अमूमन नहीं की जाती है कि इस तरीके का बड़ा बहुत ही भारी जिम्मेदारी वाला पद मिल जाए लोगों को, लेकिन यहां मिला और इसी से संदेह प्रकट हो रहा है।
नहीं, संदेह तो किसी बात पे भी किया जा सकता है। संदेह करना किसी भी बात पर ये नहीं, अब तो खैर जो भी होगा जांच के। जैन साहब आप तो बोल चुके हैं, मेरे ख्याल से मैं बोलता हूँ अपनी बात को। देखिए, हमारे देश के अंदर कानून है, सच के बिना पर आप किसी के खिलाफ केस तो रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं मगर उसको दोषी करार नहीं दे सकते। इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है जब कोई किसी के खिलाफ कोई इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है और इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग टीम जो होती है सही से काम नहीं करती जानबूझकर, कई बार उसको दिशा निर्देश ऐसे होते हैं या कई बार वो कर नहीं पाती। और बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग टीम अपनी जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती है उसके आधार पर वो कोर्ट में जो प्रोड्यूस करती है।
जो वजह पर संदेह कर रहे हैं तो शिवसेना अब एनआईए पर संदेह कर रही है। दिस इज द वर्ल्ड ऑफ
एनआईए पे संदेह करने का, क्योंकि बार बार इस बात को बीजेपी के लीडर्स कहते हैं कि सचिन वाजे कंगना रनावत केस में उन्होंने ये किया, कोई वो अर्नब गोस्वामी के केस की बात करते हैं, कोई वो किसी और केस की बात करते हैं। सचिन वाजे का अगर रिकॉर्ड देखते हैं तो पता चलता है कि उन्होंने किस तरह से नक्सलाइट एरिया में काम किया, किस तरह से सेशन इनकाउंटर किए, किस तरह से उन्होंने कोरोना काल में इसलिए उन्होंने नौकरी को ज्वाइन किया था क्योंकि मुंबई के अंदर 20,000 से ज्यादा पुलिसकर्मी थे ऐसे जो कोरोना से संक्रमित थे। अगर उन्होंने कुछ गलत किया होगा तो वो प्रूफ होने के बाद आप उसके ऊपर उसको अपराधी माने।
ठीक है, पीकेडी नाम्बियार, why is the Shiv Sena says why has Mr. Waze been declared guilty even before a probe?
On the other hand, my question to you, to the Shiv Sena spokesperson Sanket, is simply this: what is the need for the Shiv Sena and the Chief Minister, even all the people from the Shiv Sena need to support an officer having even a suspicion? Why the Shiv Sena, the Chief Minister was not suspending him much before and asking him to come clean, and after that, of course, after 16 years he has been inducted into the force again. What was the need for the Shiv Sena to support him even till last week, even in your own channel? If you remember that one of the senior most pravakta of the Shiv Sena was supporting him left, right, center and was telling that
पावर है,
अगर
सचिन सरकार की डिस्क्रिशनरी पावर है, अगर किसी भी केस के अंदर कोई अधिकारी सस्पेंड है तो उसको जब तक
नहीं। लेकिन संजय गुप्ता जी, आप मुझे ये बताइए कि ऐसा क्यों है कि अब आपके अलायंस पर ये बात आ गई, एनसीपी वाले सवाल उठा रहे हैं, मीटिंग हो रही है शरद पवार और उद्धव ठाकरे के बीच में, आपको लगता है कि ये एक दिक्कत की बात बन गई है आपके लिए? इट्स बिकम अ बिट ऑफ एन एम्बैरेसमेंट फॉर योर गवर्नमेंट।
देखिए, जो आरोप है, अगर देखिए दो बातें हैं इसके अंदर। एक तो आरोप है और आरोपों के अंदर जांच के अंदर कुछ इस तरह का पाया जाता है जिसके अंदर सही
No,
हो पाया जाता है।
my question is on the politics. आपके अलायंस में आपके अलायंस पार्टनर्स इस बात पर
संकेत वो किस क्यों डिफेंड करना पड़ रहा है? Why are they defending this officer if there is no?
आप मत डिफेंड कीजिए, let the law take its own course.
Why are they
But
defending?
for the fact
वो
कि
तो
शरद
होगा ही।
पवार और उद्धव ठाकरे मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, बहुत भारी भरकम मीटिंग हो रही है, why you know, for a cop
No, one thing
No,
I'll
it's
tell
not a
you.
question of a cop.
मीटिंग तो बहुत से
See,
केंद्रों पे होती जाती है। मीटिंग होने का एक सबसे बड़ा कारण ये भी है कि जिस तरह से आरोप है और जिस तरह से शिवसेना को भी कटघरे में इसलिए खड़ा किया जा रहा है कि शिवसेना को सचिन वाजे ने ज्वाइन किया था। अगर कोई पुलिस ऑफिसर नौकरी छोड़ने के बाद किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को ज्वाइन करता है या किसी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को सपोर्ट करता है तो ये कोई उसका अपराध तो नहीं। और इसी बात को आधार बना करके
अरे
गुप्ता
ये
जी
तो
वो नौकरी में था, वो नौकरी में था ऑल दिस टाइम।
इससे बढ़िया
रिजाइन दिया था उन्होंने, रिजाइन दिया था लेकिन वो रिजाइन दिया था लेकिन एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ था। एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुआ था लेकिन जब रिजाइन देने के बाद उन्हें ज्वाइन किया था। फिर जब एक्सेप्ट हुआ तो
यही
उन्हें
तो
छोड़
बात
दी थी।
है ना। देन अगेन द होल पॉइंट, जिस किस्म
वो
का
suspension
आरोप
के पैसे ले रहे
गुप्तेश्वर
थे।
डीजीपी गुप्तेश्वर पांडे पर आप सुशांत सिंह राजपूत मामले में लगाते थे, आज वैसे ही आरोप आपके ऊपर क्यों ना लगे कि एक देयर इज अ कॉप हु इज डैबलिंग विद पॉलिटिक्स।
सस्पेंशन में 75% पे मिलती है। जिस आदमी को 75% पे मिल रही है, आप उसका जस्टिफाई करें कि उसने पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ज्वाइन की थी। गुप्ता जी ऐसा होता नहीं है।
संकेत
अगर अधिकारी
PKD Nambiar, very quickly, running out of time. Mr.
ड्यूरिंग द
Nambiar.
पीरियड ऑफ रिजाइन, ड्यूरिंग द पीरियड ऑफ एप्लीकेशन ऑफ रिजाइन उन्होंने उसको ज्वाइन किया था। ऐसा नहीं है कि रिजाइन रिजेक्ट होने के बाद उन्होंने उसको शिवसेना को छोड़ा नहीं था, ऐसा नहीं है।
अरे संजय जी, आज भी अगर आप इस चैनल पे 9:30 पे आप बैठकर उनकी तरफ बात कर रहे हैं, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि अगर आरोपी एक व्यक्ति NIA has arrested
आरोपी होने से कोई अपराधी नहीं बन जाता हमारे देश के अंदर।
Why शिवसेना
आरोपी होने से कोई अपराधी नहीं हो जाता है।
ऑफिसर इज द
देखिए
ऐसा हुआ
वो
है
दोषी
कि
नहीं, वो दोषी नहीं होता, अपराधी तो रहता है वो
नहीं, अपराधी कैसे हो
दोषी नहीं
जाएगा?
होता।
One by one,
अपराधी कैसे हो जाएगा? ध्यान साहब, कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं आप? जब तक कोई
अरे
आरोपी है
गुप्ता
वो
जी,
आरोपी
जिस
होता है
व्यक्ति-
लेकिन अपराधी नहीं होता वो।
जिस
ये बाकी हर
अपराधी
किसी
मतलब
जब
वो
तब
दोषी
होता है,
नहीं होता,
जब
आप
कोर्ट
उसको
उसको सजा
दोषी नहीं
देती
कह
है।
सकते।
ड्यूरिंग द ट्रायल
my simple question, Mr. Gupta, let me come in. गुप्ता जी, मेरा एक सवाल आपसे है कि ऐसी क्यों नौबत आनी पड़ रही है कि शिवसेना is going all out to defend a police cop, a top cop? Why?
नहीं, शिवसेना का
Let
सिर्फ
there
एक
be
ही
an
कहना है कि
investigation.
जब
No,
तक
why
किसी
are you
पुलिस
coming
अधिकारी
out
को-
in his defense? Let there be an
नहीं,
investigation.
डिफेंस की बात सिर्फ इतनी है कि जब तक जैसे महाराष्ट्र सरकार है, महाराष्ट्र सरकार के अधिकारी है सचिन वाजे, अगर किसी भी पुलिस ऑफिसर के ऊपर किसी भी तरह का आरोप लग
Okay.
सकता है, लेकिन जब तक वो अपराधी नहीं होता
Sure.
तब तक उसको अपराधी मान
Even
करके
to
सजा
a
नहीं दी
point
जा
कि आपके अलायंस पे बनाए।
संकेत आई नीड
अलायंस में इस बात पे बनने की कोई बात नहीं है। ठीक है, अगर उनके खिलाफ कोई भी ऐसा सबूत है तो कानून के अनुसार उनके खिलाफ जो भी कार्रवाई हो वो हो। इसके लिए कोई मना नहीं कर रहा।
And amid all of this, lots of conversation about more heads that may roll or may change. All of this is happening. Clearly, as far as the Maharashtra government is concerned, it's not easy sailing as of this moment. There is a bit of push and pull between the alliance partners, and you can ask anyone. These murmurs can in fact be felt. Mr. Nambiar, Mr. Jain and Mr. Gupta, thank you very much for discussion number one. Story number two right here on Trending Tonight is the manner in which situations are developing in Bengal for the BJP. The challenger who with all its might wanted to challenge the Trinamool Congress created a massive campaign as part of its challenge, but then suddenly faced this jolt of its own opposing certain decisions that were taken by the Central Election Committee. Where will this leave the BJP? That's a curious question. Let's quickly take a look at this report filed by Monideepa Banerjee.
Scenes like this at the BJP office in Kolkata and like this at Jhargram, where he was to address a rally on Monday, brought Amit Shah back to Kolkata last night post haste. The stopover was unscheduled. His meeting with BJP leaders in Bengal long and angry, say sources. From 11:30 p.m. to 3:30, almost sunrise, glaring gaps in poll management were thrashed out threadbare. The Home Minister effectively said, say sources, People are ready to vote BJP in Bengal, but where is the BJP?
कोई भी बड़ा ऑर्गेनाइजर उसको नाखुश ही रहना चाहिए, इसीलिए थोड़ा वो नाखुश है। वो बहुत परफेक्शनिस्ट है, बहुत सारे चीज को एकदम बारीकी से उसके ऊपर ध्यान रखता है, थोड़े बहुत पिछुती का भी वो खबर रखता है, तो इसीलिए वो ऐसे ही रहते हैं और वो खुश हो जाएंगे 2 तारीख का बाद।
Top BJP leaders are flying in to Delhi tonight. They need to list 161 more candidates and brainstorm to avoid this eruption over names they have announced already. Many of the candidates were recent imports from Trinamool. Most protesters here from Howrah, South 24 Parganas and Hooghly are fuming against just that. Trinamool come latelys who got BJP tickets.
हम लोगों को वो जो पार्टी है ना टीएमसी का, वो पहले 14 दिन पहले ज्वाइन किया था, उसको हम लोगों को जो ऊपर नेत्री थे उन्होंने उसको टिकट दिया, लेकिन हम लोगों को जो भूमिपुत्र है उसको भी टिकट नहीं मिला। तो इसलिए हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर विक्षोभ दिखाने के लिए यहाँ पर आया। नहीं, अभी बीजेपी नहीं है, बीजेपी वर्सेस टीएमसी से आने वाला लोगों का झगड़ा है। कोई बीजेपी दे दिए, लेकिन कोई टीएमसी वाला हमको नहीं चाहिए।
The Trinamool is scornful.
बीजेपी में सैकड़ों लोग प्रत्याशी हो गए, अभी जिसको नहीं मिलेगा वो तो तोड़भांग करेगा। ये नॉमिनेशन का पीरियड में बीजेपी टुकड़ा टुकड़ा हो जाएगा, उसका हालत और भी खराब हो।
Forewarned is forearmed, they say, and BJP has clearly spotted a problem. Amit Shah, who has set his party a 200-seat target for Bengal, is watching. His parting shot, supposedly, we need to pull up our socks. Big question, can the BJP? With Judy Shankar, Monideepa Banerjee, NDTV.
Chandrakumar Bose, former Vice President and Senior Leader of BJP West Bengal, is with us, and we also have Tausif Ahmed Khan, TMC supporter. Thank you very much. Mr. Bose, what's happening in your party? After mounting a big, strong campaign, surely you cannot pass this off as just any other pre-election political theatre that plays out. What about your intra-party unity?
See, the Bharatiya Janata Party in West Bengal is growing at a galloping rate. Every day people are joining us from Trinamool Congress and even the left parties. So when an organization's growth is so fast, there is bound to be certain issues. This is quite acceptable.
No, Mr. Bose, even if it comes at the cost of upsetting those who are with you all the time, the old guard versus, not even old and new, your cadre versus imports. I think that's the dispute.
The matter is seized by the party leadership. There is going to be a detailed discussion to resolve the issue, and I'm absolutely sure that the party leadership
but you realize there is a problem
to come up with a solution to pacify the people who are, have expressed their displeasure.
I think the cadre in many parts, in many key constituencies.
This is just a passing phase. Let me finish.
Yeah.
This is a passing phase, and I think all political parties who have grown in such a, such a hurry, at a high pace, has faced this problem.
Okay.
I think this is universal in nature.
Sure.
But our party is a national party. We would be able to accommodate everyone. We would be able to give positions to people who deserve the position.
Sure. Tausif Ahmed Khan, how do you look at the developments? I mean, I did hear TMC leaders saying BJP's tukde is happening right now with lathi charge and friction.
That is correct. BJP is crumbling like a pack of cards, but this does not surprises us because we have been telling, and I've told many times, even on in front of TV, that BJP is divided in 3 factions. One which is under Dilip Ghosh, the other which is under Mukul Roy, and now the new turncoats of Trinamool. Therefore, there is bound to be this disintegration, bound to be internal conflict. And this is one of the prime reasons why BJP has not been able to project any chief ministerial face for this upcoming election.
No,
Yet,
by that logic,
despite
by
these-
that logic, there are MLAs of the Trinamool Congress and leaders from the TMC moving away from the TMC by the droves, by the thousands. You look at the number of dozens of MLAs.
There
just
are
jumping ship.
leaders. Yeah, there were leaders who have jumped the ship. Some of them had, cases pending from central agencies. Some of them were denied ticket. Some of them were not, were kind of lured by.
Then
some
how is
offer
this
from
anger
BJP.
different from that anger? See, in this
No,
case
this-
also, some
this-
of them have been denied tickets. That's why they are angry. They haven't
No,
jumped
this
ship,
anger.
but they are angry.
No, they are angry because, this is politics of opportunism. And politics of opportunism, people of Bengal are seeing through it, and that's what matters. Because
Okay.
at the end of the day, people of Bengal are going to vote,
Okay.
and they will dislike this political.
Okay,
politics
Mr.
of
Bose.
opportunism.
Mr. Bose wanted to come in very quickly.
You see, there is absolutely no faction in the Bharatiya Janata Party in Bengal. There might be differences of opinion, and that is a very healthy sign. We have internal party democracy, unlike the Trinamool Congress. Trinamool Congress is a dictatorial, autocratic system. So obviously, we have voiced our opinion, but there's no faction
Sure.
as such. We are all united to fight this election,
Sure.
and people are spontaneously supporting us. Now, a big organization like this would have certain people who
Yeah,
are not
now
satisfied,
it'll
but we will
two very
sort it
simple
out.
questions, Mr. Bose as well as Mr. Tausif Ahmed Khan, as I come to the end of this program. Number one, is this temporary? And if this is temporary, the next big question, will this hamper your big plans and dreams of forming a government in West Bengal or not? These are the only two key questions, very simply. Thank you.
Yes, it is a passing phase. It is just a passing phase.
And it
An
will not hamper
organization-
your
It
your
will not
vision.
at all. You
Okay.
see, Trinamool Congress and Mamata
Okay.
Banerjee, they are paranoid. They are paranoid of losing the elections.
Okay.
They should now confidently fight,
Sure.
but they are under
Well,
some
right
kind of
now, in terms
paranoia.
of visual, in the world of perception, thank you very much, Mr. Bose and Tausif Ahmed Khan. If politics is all about perception, which it is, then images of lathi charge on the BJP workers in a protest being carried out by BJP workers against the BJP doesn't make for good pictures. Thank you very much for watching this edition of Trending Tonight. News continues on the other side.